It's giving Beyonce.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought
Hey, it's Chris Renee and welcome back to my channel. Hello to all of my returning subscribers and hello to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have a different kind of video for y'all today. I will be trying on a glueless wig from Unice Hair. Thank you so much, Unice Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending me this super cute wig. Y'all know I gotta show y'all what it look like, so let me go ahead and grab it and let y'all see. Let's see what's in the box. First of all, this little bag is super cute. It's like a little pink silk bag, and if y'all know my channel, y'all know I love pink. So yes, super cute bag. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. So they sent me 2 packs of these. Looks like just a little cute little gift bag. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. We have an HD wig cap. Y'all, they sent me like 3 of these. If you have not used the HD wig cap when you're doing your wig installs, girl, you need to get these kind because it makes your wig look so good. Okay, so all right, so we got the wig cap. We have some cute little press-on nails, super cute. And we also have a wig band that you melt your lace with. Now this is so cute. It's a super cute little robe. Love pink, so thank you, Unice. I love this. It's so cute. It's a cute little box to go with my wig. So I'm coming, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the wig, but I gotta show y'all the goodies first. So this is the robe they sent me. Super cute. It says Unice on the back. Pink. This is really cute. And then of course the wig. This is a 7x5 the Bye Bye Knots lace wig from Unice, and I think I would like the 7x5 better than like the 13x4 just because it's a little less lace to work with. I got a 24-inch in this honey blonde wig, so let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's pre-curled, it's glueless, Bye Bye Knots. Let me show y'all what these knots looking like. Look at these. It's almost like, look, you can, it's transparent. Like this looks really good. I cannot wait to try this wig on, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, I love the Bye Bye Knots wig. And they have also recently upgraded their Bye Bye Knots, the way they do it. And you can tell like, this looks really good. So also they have the C shape made to fit around your ears really well. If you wear installs, or if you install your own wigs, or you have had a wig install, you know that sometimes those little side cuts by the ear are kind of annoying. So now this wig is shaped in a C next to your ears, and I'm gonna show y'all when I put it on. Also, it has the comb in the back, and then it also comes with the band if you want to attach that as well, which I probably would. But it's glueless, cute. Hey, let's try this out. Let's see what it's working with. And this is a one-size-fits-all cap, and it's adjustable, just like all the other ones. So let's see. Sitting down, I'm about to put this wig on so y'all can see. So I went ahead and put my little HD cap on. I slicked my hair back. It's braided down under here. Yeah, and I'm wearing my robe because anyway, I'm about to put the wig on. So I have a small head, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps that are in the back to make it a little tighter because I feel like I know I'm going to need it tighter. So let me do that. So I've adjusted the straps at the bottom, and now I'm just about to put it on. So let's see. Yeah, this is cute. Y'all, this is cute. Definitely gonna comb these curls out in a minute, but yes, y'all, look at this. Like, can y'all see that? Like lace, like what? I'm trying. It looks, y'all, this lace looks really good. You can see like ears, like y'all look at the ears. Like it's nothing right there poking me or nothing like that. Like it fits really good. So that C shape that they do now fits really well behind your ears. Listen, this wig, like I thought I was gonna need to put this on, like the little strap, but I don't even need it. And y'all, my head is little, so I usually have to put the strap on. Nope, not with this one. Like I just put this wig on with the clip in the back, and that's it. It's glueless. Look, boom, boom. Like, wait, that is crazy. So this is pre-cut already, and it's perfect. Like, I could go just like this. I could go like this. This is glueless. The knots are invisible. So this bye bye knots, when you go on Unice website, make sure you go to the bye bye knots section if you want your lace to look like that. Like, that is crazy. This is glueless all the way around. I can just throw this on so easily. Like, it blends well, and I haven't put any foundation on this or anything. I have on that HD cap, and I just put this right on top of it. When you're wearing glasses or anything like that, when you have your shades on, you do not have to worry about that little piece right there that hurts. So y'all, order this wig. Like, this is cute. It's already, actually, it's pretty flat. Like, I really don't even have to put any heat to this at all. Like, I can comb these curls out and be good to go. So I think I'm gonna do that so I can show y'all. This is super cute. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Like, what? Look at the back of this. Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Sometimes I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. Yeah, I can't even sit down. I'm gonna have to get up. Let me get up and show y'all. Bye bye knots wig. Thank you so much, Unice, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this wig. I know y'all love this wig, so y'all go order it, okay? I'm putting a link in the description box below so y'all can go get it, because wait, look at that. Yeah, look at that. I just love this little wig. Like, I love this hair. It's so soft, y'all. It's so pretty. It's really kind of giving Beyonce, for real for real. Like, it's giving Beyonce. 24-inch bye-bye knots, pre-cut, invisible lace. Like, literally invisible lace, and it came pre-curled. Like, what more can you ask for? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love this wig, because I do. And again, if you don't know how to install wigs, guess what? You need to. This is a glueless wig. Like, you don't even need to know how to do hair. Just order this wig and put it on, comb your curls out, and you'll be ready to go. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye. You made it with the